the calculator is key. I am an HP person, so I prefer to use the HP 12C. Lots of other people prefer to use the TI calculator. It's up to you. What I encourage you to do is you absolutely, positively have to be comfortable with the calculator's functions. Both the HP and the TI have a lot of shortcuts that will cut down on the number of manual calculations that you need to do. So you should be absolutely certain where to find the certain functions that you are going to need on both the HP or the TI, depending on your choice. The other tip that I have about calculators is if you find yourself during the exam entering multiple keystrokes, say more than 10 or 15 keystrokes, you're probably going down the wrong route. Most of the questions are on the exam, particularly at level 1, are designed where the calculation should be quick and easy. Right now, that's not to say there may be one question that does require a larger number of keystrokes, but on average, the keystrokes should be at a minimum. So if you're finding yourself where you're storing more than 1 or 2 variables for later calculations, you may be headed down the wrong road. I also believe that a good portion of the calculations that are required on the CFA exam can be done in your head. So I would encourage you, if you feel comfortable, I approach the exam this way. Before jumping onto your calculator, try and estimate or ballpark the answer, just to see if the calculator answer is aligned with what your expectation is. On the TI calculator, Fitch has a very good resource. You could find it online. You could go to the video here and it will walk you through some of the most critical TI functions. These functions in the HP are the same, they just may be called something different. But it's clearly important to know how to do time value of money calculations, interest rate conversions, statistical calculations, capital budgeting calculations such as net present value and internal rate of return. To do some amortization, that may come up when you have depreciation in accounting or amortization of intangible assets, break-even rates as well. I would encourage you to understand E on your calculator and ln, exponential functions and the inverse of an exponential function. It comes in very, very handy for when you have to do continuous compounding examples. Okay? Please go to the Fitch website, check out the video that will give you a very rigorous introduction on how to maximize your time and minimize your effort when you need to do these calculations.